6 Tips to a Faster and Safe Weight Loss. The trouble with dieting is that people associate it with the words too difficult and it takes too long. But there are ways to speed up your metabolism so you can burn calories and lose weight faster. Also remember this, it's not about eating less and moving more. It's what you eat that matters. So check out these no-fail tips for a faster yet safe weight loss. 1. Eat nutritious foods and stop counting calories. Eat a meal consisting of nutrient-dense whole foods, such as whole grains, vegetables, lean meats and healthy fat. Avoid refined and processed foods that are sugar-free or fat-free, but are nutrient-free as well. Eating more nutritious foods and getting more physical activity will help you achieve your body's natural healthy weight. 2. Reduce your carbohydrates intake by half. Cutting your carbohydrate intake by half can help you lose weight. For instance, you can eat half of the pasta, rice or the bread that you'd normally have. Then just have that extra vegetable on the side to fill you up. Also choose whole grains, which generally contain more fiber, to help you feel fuller for much longer. 3. Drink water. You've heard it 2,000 times before and yes, you'll hear it again. This is because drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily is one of the easiest way to speed up weight loss. The body needs water to efficiently metabolize stored fat. When you are experiencing water deficiency, you will slow down that process, making it difficult to burn calories. 4. Watch your sodium intake. Sodium can make you look bloated, as it contributes to water retention. The daily value suggests not greater than 2,400 milligrams of sodium per day or equivalent to about 1 teaspoon. But most of us are most probably getting more than twice that amount. The salt shaker is not the only source of sodium. Hidden sources include prepackaged foods, such as canned foods, soups and drinks. 5. Start lifting. Invest in a set of 5-pound weights. Why? Because strength training helps to build lean muscle tissue, which burns more calories. The more lean muscle you have, the faster you will slim down. To start with your strength training, try to do some squats, lunges and push-ups. Then use your free weights to perform simple triceps pulls or biceps curls. Do these exercises at least 3 to 4 times each week to see a rapid improvement in your physique soon. 6. Exercise. Add at least 20 minutes of exercise per day. You can do this even when you are on your way to work or the office. Walk to the bus stop, take the stairs instead of the elevator. Window shop with your friend rather than sitting over coffee, and take the dog out for a walk. Doing this helps to increase the number of calories you expend. At least 20 minutes of moderate exercise each day can help you burn approximately 700 calories. So are you ready to lose weight? It's not that hard when you think about it. You just have to make healthy changes to your lifestyle and diet.